Step 1, automated feeding system for horses. In the first step, we bring all the Appaloosa horses.
This one looks good. Bay gelding, microchip confirmed.
Data entered. Let's check the next stall.
In the fourth step, each American quarter horse is carefully moved onto a soft platform in a high-tech. In step 5, doctors use digital machines to check the horse's vitals in real time. The data is recorded instantly.
Clear ultrasound on the stifle.
Confirmed. Data uploaded to the main screen.
Step 7. Clydesdale horses enter the primary treatment chamber. In the 8th
The pH levels are stable now. The hides are clean.
Excellent. Let's move them to the tanning section.
The pH level is stable at 6.2.
Confirmed. Temperature is optimal for the treatment.
While a handheld laser scanner moves across the surface.
The humidity is fluctuating in chamber 3.
I see it. Adjusting the airflow now.
Check the temperature on zone 3. It's spiking slightly.
I see it. Adjusting the belt speed now to compensate.
In the 26th step, the inspected horse hides are sorted and grouped according to their quality and thickness.
Step 28, Vilcroutin, precision thermal refinement of horse hides. In the 28th step, the horse hide.
Keep the gap exactly at 3 millimeters. Looks good. Consistent finish achieved. Step 32, cut off detailed edge finishing of horse leather. In the 32nd step,
In the 33rd step, the finished horse leather panels are converted in.
How's the color saturation on that strip? Perfect consistency. We are ready for batch approval.
In the 36th step, the finished horse leather hides pass through a large automatic pressing machine.
Check the real-time data on screen 3.
The finish and thickness meet our premium standards. It is approved.
Step 39. The horse leather receives its final protective seal. As the hides travel over large steel rollers. In the 40th step, the finished horse leather hides are buffed to achieve a smooth luxury. We have to keep the temperature precise so the pattern is sharp, but the leather stays flexible for that premium look.
In the 42nd step, the embossed horse leather hides pass through a final heat stabilizing unit.
The temperature is stabilizing right on target. Good, airflow looks consistent.
Selected horse leather hides receive a special premium brand stamp. An East Asian female worker.
Step 47. Surface smoothing and gloss control of horse leather.
In the 48th step, the finished horse leather hides pass through a last set of high-precision rollers.
The gauge reads 1.8 millimeters. Excellent. The finish is perfect. We can approve this batch.
In the 53rd step, the approved horse leather is moved to the finished goods warehouse. African-American.
In the 54th step, the stored horse leather is selected and prepared for customer orders.
Step 55. Ironing, preparing special coating for horse leather products.
Check this one, large red. Looks good. Box it.
In the 65th step, selected horse leather sheets are decorated with precise laser engraving.
Step 101, rolling and assembling cylindrical horse leather cases. In the 101st step,
Flat premium horse leather covers receive their final edge stitching as a worker carefully guides the panel under the sewing machine, following the curved outline.
These cylindrical horse leather cases are ready for final quality checks, cleaning, and packaging before being shipped.
In the 110th step, the horse leather sneakers receive their final laces and finishing touches.
In step 113, the completed horse leather portfolios are laid out for final review, ensuring the stitching and embossed designs meet our high standards. Beneath a heat press machine, which lowers a metal plate and applies heat and pressure to the leather. The process sharpens the embossed artwork and fixes it permanently.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive factory tours.